Hi guys, too many people are just asking me about it. Why buying crypto feels like so hard. The first time buying crypto, if you're amateur, you wanna buy the crypto first time, it feels like so tough. And secondly, how to fix it. So either tried buying any crypto, it feels like you need a PhD in finance or just you're not alone. Really, you're not alone. Many people like asking me about how can I buy the first crypto. So let's break down it together. It's not like that it's so complicated. It's easy, but you need to just following a few rules and be careful. Buying your first cryptocurrency sometimes it can feel like overwhelming. Look, from setting up wallets to buying in the crypto, it's really 3 or 5 steps. You don't need to spend many times for that. Just following navigation and exchanges is a lot to take in. It's just navigation exchanges in your app or where you want to buy in crypto. It looks like maybe Revolut, and it's again many newcomers face challenges like complex interfaces, for example, at Binance. If you want to first time buy through Binance, it's really complicated for you. And some like trading platforms, they accepted the card, Visa card, MasterCard. It's no problem, but verification, registration, too many options you need to pass. But anyway, all the time be careful about security and scams. The reason is just I suggestion you look through some like in banks who approve the crypto. Zen Bank, Revolut Bank, too many other banks, they approve the crypto at the moment. Maybe in your country you have some local bank who accepted buying crypto through their application in your bank. Anyway, I have to just suggest you, if you want to buy first time your crypto, use easy way. Use bank application, your local way. It's easier. But anyway, educate yourself all time through reputable sources before making an investment. If you want to buy just Bitcoin, Ethereum, or like Solana, maybe Ripple, it's like reliable assets, reliable at the moment. But join communities where you can ask questions and learn from others and another experience. Anyway, make your decision. It's not financial advice, but ready to make your crypto challenges smoothly. Just open our website and LinkProfit.ie. We have a blog where we all the day are posting some news where you can just be educated of some like crypto, and we can help you we can help you just create your portfolio. We can help you buy any crypto. We can help you at the same time verificated your account. And if you have maybe the company, you have integrate in your company the cryptocurrency, we can help you do this as well. Anyway, we have a tech team, marketing team, and we all ready to help you be inviting into crypto. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.